Hey there, I'm going to walk you through the easy steps to trade in your phone to Max and Fix. So here from the homepage, I'm going to go to the top right corner and click Trade In. And it's a super easy process. All you do is tell us what you have, you ship it to us, and then you get paid. So all I have to do is scroll down here and select which device I have. I have a 14 Pro. And then you select which carrier it's locked to or whether it's unlocked. Mine is unlocked. Then you select the storage capacity of your device. Mine is a 512. And then you select which condition your device is in. If you're unsure of which one applies to you, when you click these, it gives you a description of each one. And if there's a discrepancy between the device that we receive and the one that you select, we will send you a counter offer. So I would say mine is good. Now we just type in our email, get offer now, and it gives you an offer right away. So I'm going to accept this, click continue, select how I want to get paid, select store credit, address, and my phone number, lock in offer, and then it automatically generates a shipping label for you to send the device. Click here to get your shipping label right away. And here it has all of the instructions that you need to ship your phone or device. After we receive the device, you'll be paid within 48 hours. And that's it. Thanks for watching.